folks. Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn here. Yes, Jennifer E. Strawn, DBA LDAMS, LDAMS, the acronym for my firm, Legal Document Assistance and Multi Services. Folks, today is January, excuse me, July 2nd, 2024, the second day of July 2024. And the day is going. Last night went. So many things went bump in the night. And yesterday's news was a lot of grave things happened. Each day is a grave day, is actually another opportunity to improve and clear up uh, one's life. And I'm usually at work in my life. So today is July 2nd, 2024, and Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn, Jennifer E. Strawn, DBA LDAMS, is at work. Once again, I'm here in my home office, and I'm usually in my home office or out attending at various work locations or running errands or doing my errands. I'm always up and about in Brooklyn, in New York. Sometimes I do travel, yes, not enough, but just because my business doesn't, at the moment, I funds, I'll be honest and say funds, funding, funding, is low. So I need to get my funding up, funding, up, or unless some rich man or man who has more than money than I do could afford to give me as much as he's given to others. I don't know. Is that how that works? Hmm. Anyways, I just so much is happening. And today I want to talk about, what do I do? Well, again, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn is a working lady. I am from a working class. I'm born and bred working class individual person, and I do own my own sole proprietorship. And I came through, came up and grew up doing lots of school and studying in formal school and lots of courses, different subjects and topics. None of the likes, any name I would call ever could ever know. Um, but these days I know people are into studying other people's lives as if it were a topic in school. But I think I reminded everyone before that the fact is, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn, whenever Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn attended school, there was no topic or subject in the course room, in the classroom, named Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. Today we are studying what? Who? What name? And the teacher went on to, no, that's so. So wherever that is happening and occurring, there is an injustice happening against Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn. And I remind myself, if I, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn, had $1 for every time Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn name and life and business is threatened and plagiarized, because craziest, rich, stupidest, indebted, bred, BRED, and breeding, BREDING, non-mainstream folks plagiarize and criminalize to death, then maybe, just maybe, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn would be rich. So I summed it up I, Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn, summed it up in the old, if I had $1, if I had a nickel, if I had for each time my life and name, life and business is threatened by the stupidest, craziest, indebted 34 trillion rich, all sorts of side hustles and side gigs of rich isms threaten my name and plagiarize my name, my words, my actions, and my business, I, Jennifer Elizabeth Strachan, would be rich. So again, I'm at my business in my home office, and reminding the general public, I am available for, I do provide services to the general public as a legal technician. I am a trained legal technician. So I do have, I will post a list of the list of services I do provide to the general public. I'm also a notary, notary included, so I could notarize documents. And then I do have another flyer which is geared towards attorneys and lawyers whom I work with and under the guidance of uh, help and assist lawyers and attorneys with their caseloads. Uh, Please, no murder cases, no death cases, no criminal law cases, please. I prefer bankruptcy law, commercial law, but dealing with criminals is not particularly Jennifer Elizabeth Strawn's forte or niche. So, I have, there are quite a number of non understanding people in the world, and I want to think, and I'm thinking now that maybe, just maybe, those are deranged criminals that I never took in school. I don't have any such things in here about how to fix the criminals thing because I never did criminal law. So I would pass on, such cases to the appropriate attorneys and lawyers. So once again, I have at the end of this video, I have my flyer. I did my promotional flyer and promotional information geared towards attorneys and lawyers, and then to the general public I will attach at the end of this video.